All right, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to talk about business. We are still on business mathematics, bond in particular. That is what we talk about in this video. We have talked about so many other things. So now this one said that Sealed Goldstein bought 4 governmental bonds at $922 each. Then that said that the face value of each bond is $1,000. The annual interest rate on the bond was 9 whole number 5/8% of the face value, and the bond matured in 8 years. Then I say you should compute the amount of money returned to Sue above the original investment. Now, original investment, he bought each of them at 922. So we're going to have $922 times 4 of them. So which is going to give you 922 times 4. I'm having, so that means he bought all of them for $3,688. Okay. So now the next thing is now the face value. So the face value for each of them is 1,000. So I'm going to have 1,000 times 4 of them. So I'm going to have that this is 4,000. 4,000 is the face value. So the next thing now is to calculate the interest for the 4 of them. So the interest, now they say that the interest, don't forget that your interest is P times T times R. Okay, so your P here is this 4,000 for the 4 of them. 4,000 times the time is 8 years times the R here. The R here is 9 whole number 5/8%. So which is going to give me 4,000, okay, times 8 times, this is 8 times 9 plus 5/8, which is what? 77/8. Now, because of the percentage, it's supposed to be divided by 100. So that's why I'm going to put times 1 over this. Okay, it's supposed to be divided by 100 because of the percentage here. Or you can say P times Q all over 100. So that is that. So if you do that, you're going to have that this take care of this, and this take care of this, and 8 take care of 8. I'm going to have 40 times 77. So I'm having $3,080. Okay. So now the amount they returned to him, the amount returned will now be the face value plus the interest. Okay, so and the face value is 4,000 plus the interest, which is 3,080. So if you add the both of them, I'm going to have $7,080. Okay, that is $7,080 is the amount they return to him. So now the next thing now we need to calculate is now the profit. So we are asked to calculate the profit, right? So they say calculate the amount of money returned to him above. Okay, the one that is above, that is the profit. But the total amount returned to him is this. So but his profit will now be the 7,080 minus the amount he invested. He invested 3,688. So if you subtract, you are going to have 7,080 minus 3,688. So I'm going to have that the profit this man made is 3,392. So that is the profit he made. So I'm going to pause this video. That is in 8 years. So I'm going to pause this video and then write the next question and solve. So permit me to pause the video. Okay, so let's solve this question, and I think this one is the last I'm going to solve. He said that Mr. James bought 4 government bonds at $850 each. The face value of the bond was $1,000. So he bought it at $850, and the face value is $1,000. Then I said that the annual interest rate on the bond was 18% of the face value, and the bond matures in 5 years. Compute the amount of money returned to James above the original investment. Solution. First of all, let us get the original investment. Original investment will now be equal to, he bought 4 governmental bonds. So he bought it at 850 each times 4. So that's the original investment. So 850 times 4. So we have 850 times 4 to give us $3,400. $3,400. Okay. So the next one is that the face value. So let's get the face value. The face value for the 4 of them will now be what? $1,000 times 4, which will give you what? $4,000. That's the face value. So the next is to calculate the interest. We now R $4,000 times the time is 5 years times the rate here is 18%. So 18% is 18 over 100. So the interest will now be 1,000 over 100. So 0 take care of 0, 0 take care of 0. I'm having 40 times 5 times 18 to have that the interest is 3,600. Okay, so the money returned, the total money returned will now be equal to what? Face value of interest. Face value is 4,600. $7,600. So but the amount that was returned to him that is above the original investment is called his profit. So his profit will now be the 7,600 minus the amount invested. If you subtract that, you're going to have 7,600 minus 3,400. So his interest. So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, share to your friends, and drop your comment.